Hello everyone, this is Matthew from I Love Free Software TV. In this video, I will cover a simple method to create a screenshot step diagram of Android walkthrough. For this purpose, I'm going to use a free Android app called Screenshot Flow. This app lets you capture a series of screenshots, and highlight and interconnect the screens with user interactions in chronological order. To create a screenshot diagram, first, install this app from Google Play Store. You can find a direct link to this app in the description of this video. When you open this app, it shows you a big yellow start button to start the screen capturing. Below that button, there are several other options. The first option is to set a save location for the screenshots. This app saves the screenshots directly to Google Drive, so, give this app permission to access your Google Drive, and select a folder where you like to save the screenshots. Then, the next option is to choose the screenshot type, which gives you two choices, simple screenshots, and screenshot diagrams. To create a diagram of screenshots, select the Screenshot Diagrams option. There are a few other information options below that, which you can fill as per your preference, or skip altogether. Now, before starting the screen capturing, you can set a layout for the final diagram from the app settings. From here, you can enable a mobile stencil to house the screenshot, change highlighting arrow color, set the number of screens in a row, and adjust vertical and horizontal spacing. After this initial setup, we are ready to record the screens. To do that, tap the big yellow Start button from the main screen of the app. This shows an overlay button on the screen and takes you back to the home screen. You can simply drag that button to the interaction area, and tap it to take a screenshot. When you do that, this app shows you a preview of the screenshot with highlighted interaction. From this screen, you can add more screenshots, finish the screen capturing, or discard the process. This way, you can add as many screenshots as you want. The free version of this app allows you to add up to 8 screens in a diagram. In the end, tap the Finish button to stop screen capturing. After that, this app shows you a preview of the final diagram along with an option to add more screens, if needed. From here, you can finish the process and save the screenshot step diagram to your Google Drive. While exporting, this app asks whether you want to keep the diagram file private, or want a URL to share the diagram with others. This way, you can create a screenshot step diagram of Android walkthrough. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up below and remember to subscribe to this channel for more videos.